As a student, as a researcher, one of the bottleneck that we face is how do we arrive at a problem, or how do I crystallize a problem, or how do I find a good project for my academics. This is one of the common problems that we face. So as a we are in the era of AI, how can I make use of AI tools that can help me towards finalizing my project? So here is in this video, I try to introduce one tool, which is Scispace. Most of the time, what we do is it has become a habit that we start using a chat GPT, and we may not get relevant project or identified project with the help of chat GPT. So hence, I try to introduce some tool called as Scispace. Just type Scispace, SEI space SPACE, and you'll get first link which says that AI chat for scientific PDFs. You can click on this and you'll get a window like this. You can log in, you can sign up, you can sign up. I'm trying to show you with the sign up thing. I'll try to use my ID. Okay. So here is my dashboard. So how do I do this? So can you see the options here, which is literature review, chat with PDF, extract data, paraphraser, right? So I may not be able to cover everything in one video. So what I'm planning is I'm trying to split this into different videos. First thing is I'll start with this literature review part, which is very, very interesting and which is very, very helpful. So here, what do I do? I'll type my topic. Say suppose I am working on multimodal fusion. What I do is I type that. So once I type this, it will ask you some questions. It will give you some prompts. Say example, how can multimodal fusion improve the accuracy of sentiment analysis in social media? What are the potential applications of multimodal fusion in HCI systems, human computer interaction systems? And what are the challenges and opportunities in multimodal fusion for NLP applications? So like this, it gives you some prompts based on which say I will choose the last one. What are the potential applications? Now the beauty of this tool is it gives you the papers here. You on the left hand side you can see that the papers, right? And on the right hand side you have a window called as insights. So you need not read the entire paper. That this tool will help you to give you the overview of that paper. What all things that I can get it from this tool. On the right hand side you can see these columns. Say example, I will add now the contributions column here. See, in the first paper, the contributions are these. Say this advanced multimodal fusion in HCI application integrating eye tracking with. What are the contributions in this paper? The contributions are highlighted here, right? So it is integration of eye tracking, lips detection, speech recognition, and voice synthesis, right? So I'll add one more column, objectives. Right, it is loading. So the objective of this paper is also shown here. So like this, you can select the different columns to understand. Instead of downloading it, instead of going through it, reading the entire paper, the most of the time as a novice researcher, what happens is we do not know which sections to be read at what time of. Right, we may end up in reading one paper, we may take very long, maybe we take a week, we take a 10 days if it is a hard paper. So hence, So this way, using of this tool will help you to quickly undergo many paper readings. Say, you can select the different columns based on at what phase of the project you are there. If you are a PhD scholar, you can think of finding out the research gaps that are there. See, the research gap is opportunities and limitations of each approach method to automatically convert annotations for quantifying interactions. Like this, you get all these things. So you can see further so many options available. I can draw conclusions. I can find out the findings out of it. What are the dependent variables? What are the independent variables? It all depends on the kind of paper that you are taking. This is one beautiful feature that I liked it in Scispace. Along with this, can you see here a PDF? Right. If I click on this, it will take me to that PDF file. You can see that the file is automatically getting downloaded. Can you see this? Right. So that means this is not only a tool which will help you to summarize, but also it will help you, it will act as a Google, it will act as Google Scholar for you, right? For searching for a different papers. Some of the papers are open access and PDF is available. So where you can see the symbol. For example, this paper, there is no PDF available. It doesn't show you that option. So like this, um, before your review, before your some exam, you want to give some exam or your review, right? This is a easier way which will help you for summarizing the things that you have studied, or you want to come to a conclusion, or this even can help you to finalize your problem. So like this, we have several options in this. Some of the options are available with the paid version. Right now, I didn't find any strong reason why I should go for a pricing or the purchase. But as of now, it does a phenomenally good job, which will help you to use it for your research, for your writing a paper. Say, example, you are trying to write a literature review or related work section of your paper. This is very, very useful. Maybe the time amount of time that you take to write a related sections, if you're taking 10 days, by using this tool, you can complete in a 3 days. So that's what your efforts will reduce. And I see it as like one tool which all researchers have to use this. Hope you find this video useful. I'll come up with some other features. I expect you also to explore these features. And you can see that there is an integration with the chat GPT as well here, right? And the other options that are available are I will go for paraphraser. Usually I use a paraphraser whenever I want to rewrite the statement. I'll make use of something called as Quillbot. That option is already available here. So this is a paraphraser, right? In the next video, I'll try to introduce how to use Scispace paraphrasing tool. See you in the next video. Thank you.